We got a new virus. This is exciting. I can't even believe it took them this long to roll out a new virus. The hantavirus. Ooh, the hantavirus. This is the biggest scam since COVID. Do you know what the symptoms are, guys? The symptoms, they're not even trying this time. They're not even trying to scare us. The symptoms are fatigue, dizziness, back pain, hip pain, and diarrhea. That's not a virus. You just described being over 35 years old. Those are daily symptoms. I already threw my back out this morning while having diarrhea, feeling dizzy on the toilet. This is just every day for us. Welcome to being an adult. Don't fall for it, all right? Take a crap, flush it out, have some coffee, hit the sauna, and get back to work. All right. Hey, I got 2 shows tonight in Tampa, Florida, and 2 shows tomorrow. Side splitters. Oh, I got shit.